On this channel, we provide useful programming information with practical code examples. This time, we will discuss strings in Sass. We will explain step by step from basic string operations to advanced usage of strings in Sass. Enabling subtitles will make the code descriptions easier to understand. Sass is a preprocessor for extending CSS, and strings are an essential element for making style definitions more flexible and dynamic. Strings in Sass can be enclosed in either single or double quotes, and in some cases, quotes can be omitted to write them like identifiers. Below are basic examples of how to write them. Quoted strings are evaluated directly as string literals. Unquoted strings are often treated as CSS identifiers such as class names or IDs, so care should be taken to use them appropriately. In Sass, you can concatenate strings using the plus operator. This code is an example of using the plus operator in Sass to concatenate multiple strings and create a new string. This code is an example of using the plus operator in Sass to combine a base class name and a modifier, generating a new class name. Sass provides convenient built-in functions for various string operations such as quote control and substring extraction. With the quote and unquote functions, you can add or remove quotes from strings. The strLength function gets the length of a string. The str_insert function inserts a string at the specified position. The str_slice function extracts a part of a string. The to_uppercase and to_lowercase functions convert a string to upper or lowercase, respectively. By using SASS's addIf directive, you can conditionally branch based on string values and flexibly switch styles according to themes and settings. This code is an example of using the addIf directive in Sass to check if the theme is dark and switch styles accordingly. Below is an example of using string manipulations to generate a background image URL. When you convert the Sass file to CSS, it will look like this. This code is an example of concatenating strings in Sass to dynamically generate the path for a background image and apply it as a background. By combining Sass lists and maps with string operations, you can generate styles more flexibly. When you convert the Sass file to CSS, it will look like this. This code is an example of using the @each directive in Sass to generate classes for each state in a list, dynamically setting contents by concatenating strings. When you convert the Sass file to CSS, it will look like this. This code is an example of using a Sass map to associate color names with values and generate each class dynamically with the @each directive. In order to safely use certain strings as CSS identifiers, escaping may be necessary. When you convert the Sass file to CSS, it will look like this. This code is an example of treating a string containing special characters as a variable in Sass, expanding it with $variable, and using it as a valid class name in CSS. String operations in Sass are more than just writing string literals. They are powerful tools for dynamically building styles. By utilizing the basic operations and functions introduced here, you can improve the reusability and maintainability of your CSS and design styles more efficiently. The source code for this video can be downloaded from the official website. If you like, please visit the URL in the description to aid your learning. I hope this video helps improve your programming life. By subscribing to the channel, we can deliver more useful information to you.